This man's looking really good.
It looks more beautiful. Yeah, it's more natural. Yeah.
Hold on tight, folks.
As long as you do.
Odd feeling. Oh, we're good.
Oh, you gotta walk all the way up?
No, I just brought him up. He was starting the generator.
The generator. So how much house do you think you're going to have to drive up this and down?
We're hoping that we can get at least 10 people per trip per van. So both of us twice going up, both of us twice going down. And actually, Tonya and I are done at 6, so Mel will be here to
take them back down.
Take anybody else that's straggling.
It'll be hard at night.
It should still be, you know, even at 7 o'clock, there should be still plenty of light.
Oh, yeah. Should be fine.
It's worth the view.
Somehow I ended up with... I got my cell phone right here. You know, I thought I did. No. Secret car? I'd have a second pair on me. I hope we're not going to need any supplies. I have all the supplies. But we have some in the car.
It's actually easier, a lot easier to go up and down the hill when you're loaded. Because the weight of the cars, you know, if I have 15 people in the car, it just literally keeps you grounded. There's only a few of you, or you're by yourself, you feel the van sliding all over. But we're good. You guys work out of Malibu?
No. Is that where that down at 53rd Street, LA?
Right on. We came in from Orange County.
She's working out. Talking to E. I didn't feel the pedals were running way too much. And, you know, without so many more to come at all. And I love the fact that I thought of the rose open thing, because that makes open roses. That just gives it a dimension. You know, you got to see it. Then it's like,
let me know when you want to stop taking.
Oh, we get all the way down to the bottom. By the vans, right back in.
You know, actually, it looks more like the picture when they tied it, but then she had to tie it down a bit. It's a little bit more restrained, but Heidi said it, and I showed her the picture. That good all over you?
Should have done this in open hunters. Playing Indiana Jones music.
It'd be like an excursion.
Oh, that'd be fun.
You could be like a pirate, like arr.
That would be total. That's my total alter ego. I'm a huge Pirates of the Caribbean fan.
Well, there you go.
Yeah.
Are these gas guys?
Oh yeah, they've been here for a little while.
What time is actual wedding?
5.
But the father.
4:20.
Bride. 4:20. Father, the bride. Kind of, yeah, that's kind of early here, I think.